Let's see. Let's wait.
No, don't know. Because we were there.
Hotel in front of hotel.
Ah, correct.
Not come to our place.
NB, see on the top.
Oh, it will show your initial, huh?
ಹೌದು ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ
ಅನ್ಲಾಕ್
ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂರ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಬಿಡಿ. I'll go to the front. Seat belts, everybody. And he has to start there.
Sorry.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Seat belt is there.
Yes.
Okay.
Heading to Walmart Supercenter.
Oh, wow.
Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. For any questions, press the call support button to speak with a rider support agent.
That's what.
Look at this turn now.
Happy Friday.
Nice.
It's a great experience.
Corner. Oh.
You only can't do that task. So it will check to see
3 seconds.
Yes, everybody coming, yeah.
It will follow the English drivers. 3 seconds exactly.
see what type of there is no cars. You cannot see that. Now if you see it will start. Here after seats going, you can see that. So live it is. It is showing the indicator stop also here. OCC, that is car is going to.
Yeah.
Oh,
Stopped.
right?
And noticed nobody's there. Let's
And
attack.
shape of the vehicle also it will show. Means
Here in this.
which vehicle it is going. See, if you see now, so many vehicles are there.
See, it's seen the green signal and it's not braking. And wow.
If a bus come, how it shows, you have to see. It's a big vehicle. See, wow. The exact truck size it was showing. So accurate it is. It's not fast and furious here. See. It is live streaming only some 100 meters or something.
See, it's sensing the green signal and not trying to brake also.
Yeah.
Cool.
See the roads, it's clearly showing.
There, see orange right? Braked. Super.
It shows the signal easy.
Hello, my friend. How are you doing? All okay?